Welcome and Namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will see Catherine's Palace in Pushkin, which is near St. Petersburg in Russia. It is one of the world's great royal residences. On top of this palace, this side you will see golden domes of the palace chapel. The palace is spread across in 740 meters length. The palace was gifted by Peter the Great to his wife Catherine in 1710. The palace was royal family's summer residence until the time of the last Tsar, that is till 1917. Empress Elizabeth, who was daughter of Peter I, increased the size of the palace significantly during her regime. The famous architect Bartolomeo Rostrelli gave this palace new look in Baroque style. This palace was significantly damaged during the Second World War but has been restored based on available photographs and paintings. Now we are inside the palace. This is reception room. This is beautiful chandelier. Now you can see furniture and walls are decorated with blue and gold gilded ornaments. Now this is a guest room in neoclassical style. The earlier Baroque interior design of some of the rooms of the palace were changed during the regime of Catherine the Great in neoclassical style. Neoclassical architecture is characterized by grandeur of scale, simplicity, and geometric forms. Look at this roof. Simple geometric forms are used for decoration. Now we are entering in golden room. This is called golden suite. It has Baroque style interior. The suite makes striking impression on guests. Not only the walls but doors are decorated with gilded ornaments. Just look at this. It is so beautifully done. Now we are entering in white dining room. The room is highly decorated with module panel walls and roof with Baroque style paintings. The most interesting part is ceramic stove. It is a device for warming an interior space through radiant heating by periodic burning of fuel such as wood. Look at this roof. This is Baroque style painting. And this is ceramic stove. Now we have entered in grand ballroom. Look at these doorways. They are exactly at the same distance from the exterior walls. The doorway gives view of 100 feet and through many rooms. Since the palace has many mirrors and windows, the light makes this view even more impressive. The hall is almost 56 feet wide and 154 feet long. The two tiers of windows enhance the impression of grandness and the size. The area between the windows is covered with gilded mirrors. Look at this. Now the ceiling is elaborately painted in Baroque style in multi-layers to give massiveness and monumentality. This makes painting gorgeous and divine. The picture shows Elizabeth sitting on a throne. The picture depicts the glory of Russia. Look at this picture. And here you can see multi-layers. The windows above that, two more layers. Now we are entering in Chinese and Japanese room. You can see here Chinese and Japanese style vases, wall decoration in plaster of Paris carvings. Here now we are entering in Elizabeth's room. You will see Elizabeth's portrait. She was very fond of unique designer dresses and never wore same dress twice. In this room you will see some of the weapons used that time and also pictures of Alexander, the grandson of Catherine the Great. Now we are entering in painting section, and these are all original paintings of Elizabeth. Here you can see three-dimensional flooring look and feel. The flooring of the palace is done very intricately using rosewood, mahogany, ebony, oak and maple wood. Look at this, how beautiful it is done. It is giving feel of 3 dimensions. Now we are entering in room of Catherine the Great. Catherine II was most commonly known as Catherine the Great. She was Empress of Russia from 1762 to 1796. During her regime, Russia prospered a lot and it was recognized as a great powers in the Europe. This is a green dining hall. The green dining hall is elegantly designed in soft green and rosy hues, decorated with white sculptures, rectangular reliefs and round shapes. The classical design of the room resembles the ancient Greek and Roman homes of aristocrats. Now we are on the exterior part of the palace, and here you will see 2 huge paintings of the palace. This is a garden and swimming pool of the palace. This is a private lake of the palace. You will see this is summer gallery. There is also private chapel and hermitage. Hermitage is like an entertainment room for members of the royal family. Yeah, splendor and richness of the palace showcases the rich and artistic lifestyle of Russian royalists. Hope you are impressed with this palace. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel Around the World Desi Pardesi. I'll come up with new videos on Russia. See you soon. Stay tuned. Yours, Desi Pardesi.